Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can connect with a Phantom wallet account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, you simply gotta go ahead, open up your app store right over here, go to search bar and simply type in Phantom. Then tap on this option right over here. You're gonna find your Phantom wallet right over here. Tap on this option of download if it is not installed yet, and then once it's done being installed in your device, you will find this option of open. Simply gonna go ahead, open it up, and you will be able to connect with Phantom right away. Access your Face ID and get signed in as well. So now you can simply choose to receive, send, swap, buy any currencies on Phantom, likewise right over here, and that is it. So that's how easy it is for you to access your Phantom and get connected to it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.